Are you ready to increase the credibility of your website and gain the trust of your visitors? Then you are in the right place. The Theme Encode team is excited to introduce the Testimonial Layout Pack for Divi by TNC. This is a complete set of pre-made layouts specially designed for Divi. In this pack you will get 17 unique layouts, fully responsive design, exceptional support, customization options, and many more features. We are constantly updating our layout packs, so our layout list will grow rapidly. Now let's look at some testimonial layouts. Testimonials in a grid format. Slider testimonials. Dedicated testimonials. Quote testimonials. Top review testimonials. Gratitude gallery testimonials. If you want this unique testimonials layout pack, you need to go to the Elegant Themes marketplace and search for the Testimonials Layout Pack for Divi by TNC, and you will find it. After that, you will see all the details, reviews, support, documentation, and any kind of information about this layout pack. Click Live Demo to view each demo testimonials before purchasing this layout pack. This is an optimized testimonials layout pack for Divi. Here you can see all the demo sections. If you want to know more about this testimonials layout pack for Divi by TNC, visit divi.themencode.com.